Hi, and welcome to Bonita's Kitchen, and thank you for joining us. And I'm Bonita. Today I'm going to share with you my review on this beautiful CalmDo Electric Skillet and Grill. Over this past little while I've been trying this grill and skillet to see how durable it is, how we could use it in our everyday life. And I'm going to show you a few of those features as we go. But now I'll show you what this beautiful skillet and grill looks like. It comes with this lid, this clear for seeing your food, and it's dishwashable safe, or you can wash it with just your soap and water. It comes with this deep 3.4 liter deep pot that you can cook a lot of things in. Roast chicken. We'll share a few of those things with you. These handles are safe to touch when you are cooking and you want to lift the pot to move. It's got this grill that's 12 by 8 by 1 inch, and it sets on a hot plate. And this hot plate here, you can't submerge in water, of course. You can just wipe it with a damp cloth or a damp paper towel. But your grill and your deep pot, you can just wash with soap and water. And it's non-stick. Of course, it's got your removable extension cord, so if you wanted to grill your steaks inside, you got a cold day, rainy day, or you're in the middle of the winter, it doesn't matter. You can put your grill down on your hot plate, plug it in, turn it on, put it on a safe surface. This don't get hot, the handles don't get hot, but the plate is really hot. If you don't want to grill a steak, you want to take this off, and you just want to cook a nice meal. You put your deep pot down onto the plate, and then we'll show you a few of those features as we go. So after you've plugged it in to your grill and your outlet, the heat source is here in the front, and it goes warm, low, and hot. Or high, I should say. And so when you turn it back to low, it goes on a simmer. You're never to leave it unattended, of course, but if you're finished cooking, put it on low, you're in your house, you can just leave it that way until you're ready to use it. It also comes with your instruction manual. You want to read this first, give you a little idea of what your unit is, what you got to do, and you got to clean it and take care of it. It would all be there. And it also comes with some pamphlets there giving you a discount on Amazon, thanking you. If you scan this here, you'll get a 3-year extended warranty for your unit. So how awesome is that? This small compact unit, of course, is easy to store. It's great for the university student that's living away from home, that wants to make home-cooked meals, single person that don't want any fuss or waste, or a family that is coming home from work and don't have any time to waste, and they just could cook here, and it's quick and easy. We're pretty satisfied with our review here today and the use of this skillet and grill. So what I'm going to do now is show you a few of our recipes that we've made over this past little while, and let you see how delicious and how quick it is to make yours.
That's where Bonita will be. We got healthy flavors, frozen cheese, soups and steaks, and main roast beef, Irish pea, oh that's odd. Beer batter coffee, the jigs, pretzel made, blueberry duff and apple bake. Are you ready for this jelly? Don't forget pork bang belly. Join us by the sea, a journey in culinary, always an open door. Bonita's kitchen to yours. Bonita's kitchen to yours. Bonita's kitchen.
I hope you enjoyed those meals that we showed you that you can make out of this beautiful skillet and grill. We're going to give it a 2 thumbs up here with Bonita's Kitchen to let you know that this is something that we can see using in the future and in future shows here on Bonita's Kitchen. I'm going to leave you a discount code at the bottom of this video, as well the ordering link to the CalmDo Electric Skillet and Grill and their website. So if you got any more questions or you'd like to see more features, you can go to that website. So thank you for each and every one of you that stopped by to check out our review here for CalmDo Electric Skillet and Grill. On behalf of myself, Raymond, and our team here at Bonita's Kitchen, thank you for joining us. 2 thumbs up, and you have a wonderful day from our kitchen to yours.
Always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours. Bonita's Kitchen. To yours.